Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. Today guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to check which version is running on your Windows 10. So for this guys, I'm going to show you two easy and simple methods. So first method is this guys, press Windows key button and here you want to type WinWhere like this. After typing, hit enter and here you can get this pop-up menu. As you can see, your Windows 10 version, as you can see, version 1909. In my Windows 10 the version was running 1909. So this is the first method. So second method is this guys, you want to open your Windows settings. In the Windows settings you want to find out system and open it, and in the left panel scroll down, you can get one option about, just open it. From here you can also get the version which you are running on your Windows 10. Scroll down and here you can see Windows specification. From here you can get version tab. From here guys, you can also get which version is running on your Windows 10. With this help of two method guys, you can easily find out the which version you are running on your Windows 10. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. Please guys, don't go back without like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.